YouTube, what it do, man? It's your boy NateJustDope, back with another video in JD Nation. What's down with it, man? Y'all see by the title, y'all probably why I got this thing on my head, my bandana on my head, just because I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all a little updated morning routine video. Haven't done one of these in a long time, man. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this for y'all real quick. Take this off, head to the bathroom, and we're gonna get it popping. I'm just gonna go ahead and show y'all what I do in the morning. You know, it's like early in the morning, the sun is shining through the windows, you know, giving me good lighting. So yeah, man, with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and head to the bathroom and we're gonna get this thing started, man. So let's go. Alright, so before I get started with doing my routine, you know what I'm saying, I did the banding method the night before. If y'all don't know what the banding method is, I'll leave like a link up at the top at one of my past videos. If y'all want me to do a new updated video on the banding method, I will do it. But pretty much it's just you banding your hair, stretching your hair basically. If your hair shrinks throughout the day and you want your hair to look long and fresh, just like the day before, you would stretch your hair out the night before and then take it out after, you know, well, after you wake up the next morning. So that's basically what I did, you know, got the banding. Got the rubber bands on, you know what I'm saying, all tied up and everything. So now I'm gonna take the rubber bands out and go ahead and take my hair down. And this is one step that I do to my hair in the morning. So, but before I take my hair down, I put some, it doesn't matter which oil that you use. I use the Jamaican black castor oil or the Africa's Best herbal oil, depending on how I'm feeling that morning, you know. But this morning I'm gonna use the castor oil, you know, because I haven't put any oil on my scalp in a few days. So I think the last time I did it was in the journey video, the 4-year fro journey video. So I just put some in my hand, not a lot. No, I'm childish. But make sure I get some on my fingertips and then I just rub it in and then I just go in like that, you know, massage it into my scalp a little bit and it feels oh so good, you know what I'm saying, like so. Then after that, I just start to go ahead and take the rubber bands out, and it's gonna take a little minute, so I'm gonna go ahead and fast forward this. Alright, so now that I have all 5 sections out of the rubber bands, now I just start from the back and work my way to the front. All I'm basically doing is just separating my hair like this, just to make it look more full and stuff like that. So I'm starting from the back, then work my way up to the front, and I'm gonna be done. Well, with that part, but y'all will see. So go ahead and fast forward it, and I'm looking at the screen. I need to be looking right here. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do all that and get back to y'all when I finish. Okay, y'all see I got it all out now. As I was taking down now. And now, after this, I just put it up in the puff or the pineapple or palm tree, whatever you want to call it. I think I'm gonna call it a palm tree now. Palm tree gang out there. If y'all out there, palm tree gang, come in, palm tree gang. Put the palm tree emoji or whatever, you know what I'm saying? Palm tree gang, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna go ahead and do the palm tree real quick. And that's pretty much gonna end the video. We're gonna do it like this, man. So for everybody that wants to know how to do it, I think I did do a video on how I do this, but for all my new people that don't want to go back and watch the old videos, here you go, right here. So, all right, so we just take one of these right here, a real big one. What I do is I put it over my face like or put it around my neck like a necklace, like so. And then I just push the back up, like so. So from the side view, I push the back up like this, like so. Then I take the rubber band, push it up like this. Then I stretch it, make it tighter in the back. I just pull any slack that's up under the rubber band. Then from here, I twist it one time or once. And I push the front back like that. Then I tighten it, go over it one time. Make sure the front is tight and everything, no slack left behind or whatever. And then depending on how you want it, sometimes if I want it to be loose, I just do it once or yeah, once. And then if I want it like a real tight ponytail, I do it twice. So for the sake of the video, I'm gonna just do the second one. And then, yeah, so for the tight look,
wow.
So for the tight look, I just go over one more time and then just push it up like so. And then so it won't be like real tight, I just pull my hair to the side like this to make it stretch out so it won't be real tight on my head. Because if you leave it like that, you're gonna have headaches all day. So yeah, and then after that, I just shake it up like so. And then bow, we got the palm tree, you know what I'm saying? It looks a little like funny right now because I'm just doing it for the video, like rushing it real quick. But this is what it'll look like, or somewhat what it'll look like. You know what I'm saying? You can fix it up, play with it however you want to, you know what I'm saying, make it look right. And then after that, I just take my brush. If you have like the tapered hairline up in the front, then temp fade on the side and the back. What I do is just take my brush real easy and just brush it down like so, like you're brushing your hair, like this, real nice and easy, real simple, straight to the point, to the perm, you know what I'm saying? Get the side looking good, you know you know what I'm saying? I'm starting out to be beard gang too, man, so gotta start brushing this down a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Oh, I skipped one step, my bad. All right, so after I do all this, you know what I'm saying, brush it down and everything, well, this is before I brush it down, but you know, either way, it'll still work the same. But I just take some oil, you know what I'm saying? This helps with hair growth. I've been putting this on my beard, you know, it's on my face, so this works as good like baby oil or lotion, I guess, too. So if you're ashy, you can put this on your face be, you know what I'm saying? Not too much though, you just want to do like a little like that much and then you're good. So just rub it in, bow, you know what I'm saying, get the but I know I'm real annoying with this part, but you know what I'm saying, this is what I do every morning, you know what I'm saying? Just put it on. Ever since I started putting this on my face, bro, like this has been getting a little darker, so you know what I'm saying, it's a work in progress, but I'm working. It's coming soon. Watch me. In a few months, it's gonna be, you know what I'm saying? Nigga! Alright, and that's basically it, man. This is how I do my morning routine / style my hair in the morning. So just to give y'all a quick little 360 real quick. Ooh. 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 Alright, man, and that's basically it, man. Just want to give y'all this quick little like morning routine tutorial that I do, or like a male long hair routine, morning routine tutorial, yeah, or palm tree hairstyle tutorial, I guess, all in one. So yeah, with that being said, if you're new, you like what you see, go down and hit the subscribe button. Once you do that, hit the bell so y'all can be notified when I drop the videos, because they will drop randomly, like I always say. Good vibes only 454. Be on the lookout for all of the info, updates and stuff coming this month, man. Follow the Instagram, Good Vibes Only 454 for all the info. And yeah, so with that being said, if y'all want me to do another type of hair tutorial, get ready with me type of video, comment that down below and I'll do it for y'all. You know what I'm saying? I'll be sure to do that for y'all, man. So yeah, with that being said, it's your boy, NateJustDope, signing out. Deuce.
I'm off this one.
I couldn't get a bill paid. You could about a real thing. I was staying up in your place, trying to figure out the whole thing. I saw people doing things. I don't feel I want to music thing. But we all so small now. All night,